Award. Now, this award is sponsored by West Lothian Economic Growth Plan and is presented to a business which has shown either outstanding growth and or developed a new innovative approach to business. Can I please invite Councillor Sullivan back to the stage again, please, to present these awards. Now, from the nominations received, we have 2 finalists. Awarded the highly commended in this category is a business whose innovative and conscientious approach to business has shown an exceptional period of growth in a challenging and competitive market. That company is DB Group Europe Limited. Would Martin Brown and David Bryce from DB Group please join us to receive your certificate. And to our High Growth Business Award winner. Now, this award recognises outstanding development, and this year's winner is a long-standing family business whose continuous investment in both staff and technology has guaranteed their strong customer base and extended market recognition. Our winner this year is Philp Commercials. Let's hear more about David Philp. Can David Philp please come to the stage to receive his award?
Who were involved in the process and selection for giving us this award this evening. Obviously, he can't speak because he's still blubbering over the kind of video there. This award wouldn't have been achievable if it hadn't been for our dad that died in 2013. So all we've wanted to do is continue on with the business and take it forward. Hence how you saw the projections, what we're hoping to do. So what I would like to say is thank you to all our staff, because without them and also our, sorry, I'm a bit emotional, without our father, we wouldn't be receiving this award tonight. So I'd like to dedicate this award to him and each and every one of our members of staff, because without them we wouldn't have a business and we wouldn't be receiving this award on behalf of all them. So I'd like to dedicate it to him and all of them.